Hey guys, this is just a very quick update video on our TF330 overclock. So since we're running the full 030 processor with its MMU, I have installed the MMU libraries. That gives you a few tools you can use. The only one I'm using though is this MU Fast ROM. That effectively maps your kickstart into fast RAM. As you can see, there's our ROM copy backup mapped to this address here and here. And that gives us another slight speed increase. So if I just show you quickly in sysinfo, we're now up to just over 10.5 MIPS. And our drive speed also gets a little boost up to 5.8 megabytes a second. So definitely worth installing those libraries if you have the full 030. The only other thing I have to do to our 330 is I want to install this little heatsink just on top of the gold chip. Gold coloured heatsink, why not? So that'll go on there like that. I bought this stuff here, this GELAD GP Extreme, the cutting edge thermal pad. This is the best thermal pad I could find for thermal conductivity, well at a reasonable price anyway. So we'll cut a small section of that, set it on there. It's a little bit tacky this, so it should be enough to hold this in place. Right, there we are. There's a section that cut. That should do it. As you can see, it's a little bit of tacky that. It's not thermal glue by any means, but it should do enough to keep that heatsink in place. That'll just help to keep the chip temperature down a wee bit, since we have overclocked it, and hopefully extend its lifespan. That's it. Just a quick video, just a quick update on that. I'll be back at the weekend with a full video, and we'll see you then.